Straight to it. What's going on, bro? What's your name, bro?
What's up? Justin, but people also call me Fetty too.
Justin, aka Fetty. Okay, where you from?
I'm originally from Fort Lauderdale.
Okay.
Originally.
Okay, what do you do?
I'm an award-winning international fashion model.
Oh, fashion.
Hold on, man. You say your model?
Yes.
Man, the way that this generation coming up dressed is just weird to me. I don't get it, bro.
Yeah.
I really do not get it. Listen, no disrespect, you know what I'm saying, but this just look crazy. Bell bottoms or like bell bottoms on, yeah, nah. No. Hell no, man. Not feeling it.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, entrepreneur. You know what I mean? Made it a business. You know how I go.
All right, so ladies, based off of his attraction to you guys, what y'all pop y'all balloon?
Here we go. Yep, girl code all damn day with that big ass toe right there. Look at it. Nice. I kept the strangest thing, man. You know, they're walking in the sun, that boy. Yo, but no, what we are witnessing right now is girl code. Look, even the girls right there sitting there giving her an eye like, go ahead and pop your doggone balloon. Single women keeping other women single.
Okay.
Where you want to start? Keep starting with her, so.
You keep starting with her? Let's skip to her. All right, why you pop your balloon?
I need facial hair.
You need facial hair. I look too babyish?
A little bit.
Okay, that's cool. What about you?
Hold on, wait. This thing about to go south. I feel it. It's about to go south. Like he stepped into him, he kind of grilling him right now. Oh hell.
Just not my type.
So what's your type?
Hair.
It's the facial hair?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Because I mean, he was asking you first, so I was just like, let's not even go to you first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm just trying to, you know what I mean?
So why
Switch it up.
The shoes dirty.
Shoes dirty? They boots.
All right, so right here, I got a question.
All right, what's up?
So shoes matter like on a guy?
To me,
Like, do they have
So
to
what's
be
your
clean?
toes look like?
Oh,
For real, I was just asking.
it don't matter what my toes look
Yes,
like.
it do. You
It's
asked about my-
you. Your shoes.
I'm
are
just asking.
dirty.
It's cool. It's cool if they not good. It's
Shoes
cool.
matter to me.
Cause you got to cover up for a reason. Everybody else got their toes out.
First impression.
Okay, shoes is first impression.
I got a lot of
Got you.
shoes.
Got a lot of
Clean
shoes.
shoes.
Clean shoes. Just not the.
yeah, he said pull them feet out. Them things must be hit. What? That girl got triggered. She mad as hell. That don't matter. That ain't got nothing to do with this conversation. Leave them damn dogs out of this. Them thing barking like hell, right? Them thing barking like hell in there, boy. There we go. Finally somebody to humble. The guy with the bell bottom, the 1970 dressing brother. I ain't mad at it. Get her ass.
Toes.
Yeah.
You don't know what my toes look like.
Next.
So why did you pop?
First, it was everything, and then the fact that he tried to.
What was everything?
See it come at her.
What was everything?
You couldn't wait to get right here and do this.
Do what?
Everything.
What's everything?
You're just- this
like
is not my
analyze
style.
me. What's my bill right now?
Nothing. I don't like nothing.
You don't like nothing.
Nothing.
Okay.
No.
Now look what she got on. Is them furry heels? Man, do me a favor, man. Get out of here. This girl got furry heels trying to talk about somebody, man. Is that snake skin? A snake skin dress with furry heels? Man, boy, I tell you, boy, this stuff was getting outrageous. Ain't got the nerve now. Keep in mind, I agree with her. The outfit just ain't it, fam. I don't understand why people rock stuff like that, especially for like first impressions. Then again, I don't understand why she has on what she has on for any impression. You shouldn't have wore that. You need to throw that out your closet right now. Get rid of all of that. The hair too, all of it. Just get rid of all of it.
No worries. Hey, what's going on? I want to get to know you anyways.
Okay.
All right, what you like to eat?
I'm vegan.
You vegan?
so
I'm
I
vegan
like to
too.
eat vegan food. Okay.
I'm vegan too.
Okay.
Hey, that's crazy. Not for real. I'm
You
vegan.
actually have a nice face. You have really good skin too. And you have really good eyebrows.
Where you like to eat at?
It depends. I haven't found a favorite place in Atlanta, but
I know a few vegan spots.
okay.
For sure. Let's go on and, we can make that happen.
She about you can tell how she looking. She ain't.
Wow.
Yeah, it's too many girls that don't want you, brother. It's that girl code, man. And then most of these mofos want to wait till in their 40s and their 50s. Hey, big head, no, hell no, don't inbox me. You heard what you said on that damn pop the balloon.
Okay, what's your name again?
My name Justin.
Justin. Leanne. Nice to
Leanne, why
meet
they call you Leanne?
That's my real name.
That's your real name?
Mm-hmm.
Where you from?
I'm from Jersey.
You from Jersey up north?
What's your
Okay.
sign?
Oh my God. Damn, man. He can win her over if he have some confidence. He can win her over. But oh boy, stepping back. Just let that man cook. Ooh, over there hating, boy. Hating like hell. Maybe I should have kept my balloon. No, Nope.
What's your sign? What is it?
We're
You
in the
gotta
pop
tell
the
me
balloon.
first.
I'm a Pisces.
Pisces are dope.
All right, what's your sign? I just don't
I'm
like
a
signs.
Taurus.
Okay.
Yeah, that is right. Every time a girl.
Yeah, when it's like it's raps like.
I don't know. I feel like you have a lot of confidence, but I don't think it's given like it's exciting me.
It's exciting you. So how can make you exciting?
I don't.
Well, I can pull some few tricks out my back sleeve
Okay.
for sure. What's your favorite position? Cause you like something exciting. So I add a little spark to your life.
I'm overstimulated now, so I'm gonna go with.
Yeah, no problem. Nah, you don't have to tell me. Cause if you overstimulated, nah, don't even tell me. It's cool. Let's just talk about it over the date.
Okay.
Okay. For sure.
Okay.
It's fine. She's more my type.
So,
I feel like it makes sense.
Okay.
Like we both vegan. It makes sense.
Okay.
How you feeling right now? You're still overstimulated?
Yeah.
Slightly. My bad for making you nervous.
No, it's dope though. Yeah, you have control over the room. I know it kind of went like a weird way. You're not necessarily like my type off rip.
Pop the balloon, man. I thought she was gonna pop the damn balloon anyway. This little interaction that kind of threw me off because he was already gonna pop because of the sign. The signs, which I agree. Soon as they ask what's your sign, I cannot stand even in basic conversation. Like you can't even have a regular conversation with somebody today without them asking that stupid question, boy. Well, good. I'm talking about boy, I be a month. So on and all just I'm gonna start stomping these damn church shoes. Stop asking that question, man. God, I can't even be in a place of business without them asking that. Yeah, he seemed confident. What's your sign? That LeBron James mean, man. Let me get the hell up out of here. Come on, dog. Good grief. Don't let her talk to me no more.
Right.
But I feel like you have layers, and I
What
could see.
about him is not your type? Like, cause I know.
Do you like fit guys?
Like, is
Like
it-
I'm.
Yeah, I like tall, like fit, like
How
bigger
tall are you?
guys.
You like? Wow.
I don't know.
I'm a little fit.
Yeah.
That's why I was just.
So he's
you know
short.
What I mean? Yeah, I am. I would say I'm slight. Yeah, I'm 5'10". 5'10". Yeah. But,
10 isn't short.
but you know.
Fashion model type. I don't know.
Yeah.
I think the stomach might have made me pop my balloon.
What was it
What?
about the stomach?
You didn't like the abs?
I don't think so. I think I like more meat on my bone.
Oh, I'm too skinny.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay.
I got a little more meat, but I got you.
Come back.
Oh wow.
Yeah, see, that was the reason why she was gonna pop earlier, man. that boy showing out on this doggone dating show, man. What are your thoughts on that exchange? I felt like it was a little bit on the weird side. You said what?
Yeah.
Just came out your mouth just now. I'm gonna put a little beat.
Pretty much how I was thinking. I don't know.
It was
Like a
weird.
car crash.
Yeah, it was a little bit on the weird side, man. I don't know what that was about.
For sure.
Okay. Based off these ladies, like, you know what I'm saying, who would you want to match with? Like, it was her?
Yeah, she's vegan, so I definitely, you know what I mean, give it definitely a try. I feel like the rest, except you, the rest of you a little too old, like just in the face. It just wouldn't make sense. I feel like
Okay, too.
you thought I was older.
Yeah, I would have got you now. 33.
Got you.
Easily.
33?
Yeah.
How old are you?
23.
23. Oh.
Got you. Yeah, I'm younger. I ain't gonna get on you like that, but you said nah, it's fine, it's fine. Yeah, look, you messy. But nah, I'm not even gonna get on you like that. But I say like them two are more my type. You know what I mean? Specifically, just cause they look around my age, and then also, you know, I like y'all dresses. I like what y'all wearing. I like their dress too, but you just look a little older. Once we walked out, anyways.
Do you mind disclosing age? Because he's saying you look older. Yeah, that's the wrong year.
Same
You just be stressing. I wasn't even meaning like that. Yeah, for sure. But I say last set. I say get your toes done. You stay beautiful. Stay beautiful. You a little bit. Wait, hold on. Let me see. Let me see.
Don't touch him. Don't.
I'm not touching them. I ain't touching. I'm touching dress. Wait, you a little bit older. How many kids you got? Oh yeah, that's what I thought. And then you, all right, stay beautiful. You would eat? You eat? I don't got no black.
Whoa, boy. See, this right here is the main. I hope all the rest of the guys are like able to see this. This is exactly why you don't choose this, that, or that. See, right now, this young lady, she's got that little evil smile, man.
Black spray on, by the way. I don't have any black spray on. Phenomenal.
I see it.
You a little stressed. You know your blood sugar gonna rise, huh? You know you're a little older.
Bye. Where's your match?
Where's my match?
Nowhere.
Oh yeah, overseas.
So what do you have to say about that?
what?
This is a little spicy.
I feel like he was mad that I said his shoes was dirty.
Yeah.
He shouldn't just took his L and been okay with that like everybody else did.
Okay. You're kind of quiet. You really don't have much to say.
It was just a mess.
A mess? Do you feel like he was sassy based off?
He was cool and confident, like she said, up until I guess I don't know where it went left, but he got offended, and I think.
Chill with the sassy stuff, man. Like, come on. And she still didn't agree when he said anything about sassy. It was just a little bit going back and forth. Yeah, he's like, listen, I just want to see your toes. Like, he's sitting there talking about people. Right, yeah. All the rest of these other women got their feet out. Why you got your why you got them boots on, man? Why you got them damn cowboy?
his ego got struck, so it was downhill from there.
You know, everybody popped his balloon, so he had to come for the ones who popped his balloon. So he looked old as shit in the face, though. So
He got you he's a little sweaty now. You want to, Oh, okay.
I just feel like he came out here to troll. Like, he was sassy from the rip. Soon as we popped the balloon, he went right at her on the toe.
But she said something about the shoes. I think that's why.
They are dirty. He said it himself, though. He said it. He said they boots. Like, they supposed to be dirty. I like my Vans dirty. So
Yeah, I got you. It
it
was
ain't
aesthetic.
about that. Yeah, it was the aesthetic. He was mad and sassy.
Dang.
I knew something wasn't right.
Yeah.
He wanted you to pick him very bad.
Maybe he wasn't like reading the room. I think that he was thinking like you wanted him to be more spontaneous. So that's why he asked you your position, showed you his physique, you know. I think that's because you were saying kind of calling him boring. So I think he was trying to show you his demon side of him, you know? Type vibe. But it's cool though. All right, so we're gonna bring out the next guy.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they roll.